Facts about Malunggay. Chapped. Certainly, here are 20 facts about Malunggay. Also known as Moringa oleifera, Malunggay is a fast-growing, drought-resistant tree native to the Indian subcontinent. It is commonly referred to as the drumstick tree due to the long, slender shape of its seed pods. Malunggay is renowned for its high nutritional value. It is rich in vitamins, minerals, and essential amino acids. The leaves of the Malunggay tree are edible and are a significant source of vitamins A, C, and E, as well as calcium and potassium. Malunggay leaves are often used in cooking, particularly in Filipino cuisine, where they are added to soups, stews, and stir-fries. The seeds of the Malunggay tree can be used to produce oil, known as ben oil, which is used in cooking and skincare products. Malunggay is considered a superfood due to its high antioxidant content, which can help combat oxidative stress in the body. The root of the Malunggay tree can be ground into a powder and used as a traditional remedy for various ailments. Malunggay has been used in traditional medicine for centuries to treat conditions such as arthritis, diabetes, and digestive disorders. The flowers of the Malunggay tree are also edible and are used in salads and as a garnish. Malunggay is known for its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, which can help support overall health. The Malunggay tree is easy to cultivate and can thrive in a variety of soil types. It is often used in reforestation efforts due to its rapid growth and ability to improve soil quality. Malunggay leaves can be dried and ground into a powder to make a nutritious and long-lasting herbal tea, in addition to its culinary and medicinal uses. Malunggay is used in water purification as a natural propellant to remove impurities. Malunggay is sometimes used as livestock feed because of its nutritional value, particularly for poultry. The bark and wood of the Malunggay tree are used for various purposes, including making paper and as a source of fiber. Malunggay has a reputation for helping to boost lactation in nursing mothers. The leaves of the Malunggay tree can be used as a natural fertilizer in agriculture. Malunggay has gained popularity worldwide as a health supplement, often available in the form of capsules, powders, or extracts. These facts highlight the many uses and benefits of Malunggay, making it a valuable plant in agriculture, nutrition, and traditional medicine.